Welcome to Lingua Latina, Chapter 17, Lesson 3. Listen as I read the Latin in this section. Sextus, nonne tu laetaris, Marce, quod frater tuus, etiam absens a magistro laudatur? Marcus, ego non laetor cum frater meus laudatur? Et cur ille laudatur hodie? Quia discipulum absentem reprehendere non convenit. Magister iratus virgam tollens taceta pueri inquit. Nonne virgam meam veremini. Marcus, nos nec te nec virgam tuam veremur. Magister, qui verba Marci non audit, ex saculo suo duos numos promit. Assem et denarium, et ecce inquit numos ostendens. As et denarius, ut scitis, unus sestertius est quatuor asses, et unus denarius quatuor sestertii. Quot asses sunt quatuor sestertii, Tite? Titus digitis computat, quatuor octo duodecim seidecim. Quatuor sestertii sunt seidecim asses. Okay, so let's go back and translate that section after you have read the Latin. We have Sextus, who says, aren't you happy, Marcus, because your brother, even when he's absent, is praised by the teacher? Over in the margin, we see that absent here, absens, is one who abest, one who is absent, who is gone. So Marcus says, I don't rejoice when my brother is praised. And laetor here looks passive, right? Laetor, laetari is one of those deponents. I rejoice. And here we have the regular passive of laudo, laudare, is praised. And why is that guy praised hodie today? Because it isn't fitting, non convenit, to scold or to censure a student when he's gone. The teacher, angrily raising up his rod, says, "Be quiet, boys. Don't you fear my rod." Marcus, we fear neither you nor your rod. The teacher, who does not hear Marcus's words, from his money sack takes out 2 coins. We see here in the margin that promera means sumera, to take up, but also from a place, to take up out of some place. Takes out 2 coins, and we see the coins here that he takes out an as, which is a large coin, which had actually less value than the denarius, which is shown here, but was made of a more precious metal. And so he takes out the 2 coins, an as and a denarius, and says, "Look," showing the coins, "an as and a denarius. As you know, 1 sestertius is 4 asses, and 1 denarius," and so I'm going to go to the next page, but before, let's take a look over here at this little chart. We have that a sestertius is equal to 4 asses, and a denarius is equal to 4 sestertii. So let's go on to see his question. He's going to ask a question with these numbers. As you know, 1 sestertius is 4 asses, and 1 denarius is 4 sestertii. How many asses are 4 sestertii, Titus? Titus counts on his fingers. 4, 8, 12, 16. 4 sestertii are 16 asses. So let's go back, and as always, you should read this section in Latin and picture the scene in Latin. When the conversation is going on, imagine the conversation, imagine the Latin words referring to people. When he says, "Nonne tu laetaris," imagine him asking Marcus, "Aren't you rejoicing?"